everyone, Carol here with another fantastic video for you today. If you haven't subscribed, please do so by tapping the subscribe button below. Let's use another 4-inch because we can. But this time, let's do about a 12-inch tail. And twist it really good. And I'm going to bring that tail down towards me. Let's use this. This come out here to the 7. Just smashing it down in there so I could get a twist on it. Twist it really good. Woo! I'm going to get you to teach the bow group next week, making a Christmas bow. And then we're just going to bring it on down. I'm serious. And then I'm going to pull this down to the front too. So we're going to have our tails facing us. Okay. This is going to make us a really pretty base. There we go. We're going to keep that right there in the middle. Nice and fluff with two nice tails coming down. And now let's see what we want to do. Let's do, since this is the only one I brought out over here, we're going to work with what I've got here. Let's bring these just a little bit longer. You pull this to me. Just a little, about a couple of inches longer. Okay. Make sure you've always got plenty of ribbon out. I'm going to bring this one out to about the 6-inch. Go ahead and move it. About the 6-inch. I'm going to crisscross it. This one goes up. This one comes down. This one's going to go down. You're going to push it down. We're going to make us another long tail. Keep them fluffed up there, guys. Oh, but to do it in front of people, you'll learn. Put our pan back in that one. I was making a scarecrow wreath today, so hey, let's bring our little scarecrow buddies in, right? Twist. The scarecrows are all pointed one way, and we're going to fix them so that they're pointed the same way on the other one going down. Twist. Once you do one, you'll be hooked. Okay. So what I'm going to do is if I leave it like this, this is going to have my scarecrows standing on their head. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, fluff these out, and I'm just going to cut this off. Okay. And push it down really good. Then I'm going to take this, see about how long I need it, about right up here. And take it and push it the other way in it. That way both of our scarecrow ribbons, the scarecrows, are doing what they should do. They're not standing on their heads. Don't worry about these. I think they're cute in any direction. If some people do, all they have to do is twist the ribbon. Okay? Twist the ribbon. One side or the other. Or twist the loop. Okay. So this time I think we'll put our green in next. Long tail, and we're just going to twist it. We're going to decrease the size to about, that's looking about like a 4-inch, a little bit over a 4. We're going to twist it, put it down. I know, I love that. Thank you. Twist it, because we're going to do 2 loops on each side. If you want to make sure your ribbon is the same, you can lean it over that way. You can twist it, and then you can move it back. The same way here. This time, you just squish it down in there and just move your loops. And pull this one down and cut it. This is like a 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we're going to top it off with this beautiful ribbon. I'm going to twist it, bring it down. That also brings all of the colors of the scarecrows, and it brings in this gorgeous 4-inch ribbon. I'm just going to do 2 loops. This is just really a traditional bow. Bring it down and cut it off. This also coordinates the mustard yellow. That's just choice, however you want to layer your colors down. If you've got some that are similar, space them out until you get through some of them. And what that actually does is bring your colors back through. The Scarecrow has all of these colors in it. It's got your rust, it's got your moss green, it's got the mustard yellow. So, and this here has a little chocolate. These have a little chocolate in them. Then it's got that orange. And the Scarecrow's even got some of this beige. So the Scarecrow in this one, I always want to put like a character ribbon sort of in the middle of it, because I want it to be able to be seen. So I've got all the colors basically in this one that I do in my Scarecrow. So I want to sort of separate those a little bit. So the mustard hints, the Scarecrow, the green, and then if you look at these two side by side, they look similar, but there's a lot of differences. But our Scarecrows has all the same colors as those in them, and we can top it off, and it just makes it pop all the way up. Okay, let's get us 2 more pipe cleaners. We're going to twist them together. Pulls all the colors out of each ribbon. Thank you. Yeah, it does bring it home. Okay, and go ahead and bend them to get it to where I want it to be. Take my pointer finger, middle finger, and I'm just going to start lifting, getting up under there. I got the 50-yard, I get most of my 50-yard rolls from Sims. Either Sims or Craft Outlet. And I love using 50-yard rolls. It saves a lot of money. Put my thumb on the top, lift it off easy, just holding it gently. If you squeeze it real hard, it's going to cause either the front or the back to shift. Put my thumb right here, my fingers back here. As I push down, I pull, 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 and pull. Oops. Then I start my twist, and then I can twist it with my pipe cleaner. If your pipe cleaner shows, and we'll work through this right quick. Let's get this big one. I like my tails first. I've got those 2 gorgeous 4-inch ribbons. And on a bow like this, I just like my tails to just fan out. And then that way you can see a little bit of all the colors. That one in the middle, on each side of it. And you're still going to be able to see the pipe cleaner. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of this diagonal ribbon. I take about 11 inches because I can. No. And I fold it over 1/3 and fold it again, 1/3, and take my fingers and sort of press it. Take that ribbon, go right down the center of it. Pull it to the back. I always pull these because sometimes they'll get stuck. And since I've got my pipe cleaner on it, I go right in between my pipe cleaner and I tie a really tight and tie. Then I take my pipe cleaner and I twist it a couple of times. Oh, really? You're multi-talented. Multi-talented lady. Fondant cakes. Girl, I did good to make a birthday cake. And that just helps it come on home. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut these off right back here, pretty close. Let's take our little diagonal. Lots of times I don't do a V in my ribbon, my 4-inch. I do a diagonal cut on it. Okay. Sometimes I like to roll my ribbons, but I've sort of gotten out of doing that a whole lot. It looks really cute like on Easter and stuff. So there we go.